One of the most prized things about this museum is the statues that came from there, from Ephesus, that are here in Vienna. Here's the statue of wisdom from the Celsus library. She's the most full, along with competence. They call it competence, like she's virtue, doing moral, what's right. These two statues are further much intact, where the other ones around the corner. There's 4 of them, or not so much so. And this one they call inspiration, which mostly is understanding. And this one over here is, actually this is listed as understanding. So inspiration and then understanding. These are the 4 statues that were there originally. It says about inspiration that so yeah, the word inonia, the inspiration aimed, similar to the Greek logos, the word to undertake it, to do the job, to administrate it. This was her hand, it was raised, right hand, she held an ear of corn or a torch. So originally her right side there, that's kind of cut off totally, had a torch or an ear of corn to show forth her understanding. In the middle is the middle section of some part of the library.